Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can leave comments for work items or sub-work items inside your workspace and projects in the Plane Project Management tool. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your workspace on Plane and select your project and navigate to work items. Next, select your layout view here at the top, like list layout or board layout view, and simply go through these statuses of your to-do list, like to-do, in progress, done, and so on and so forth, and click into the given task you would like to leave a comment for. So let me go with this task here, export video, click into it, and after that what you want to do is scroll down here inside that editing or customization menu of your work item, and here under add comments, guys, you will see this text field. So click into it, and after that simply leave your comment, like, I don't know, test comment 1, 2, 3, and here to the right you will see the comment button to submit your text or comment. You may also customize it by applying bold letters, italic letters, underline. You may change the alignment. You may add also bulleted lists or numbered lists, add quotes, embed codes, and so on and so forth, attach images, and after that click into this button to leave your comment, and that's it. Other users within your workspace, of course, especially those that have been assigned to the given work item, will also be given the opportunity to leave comments and to even reply to your comment. Of course, you can always delete your comment if you like, or edit it, and that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.